I'm going to show you guys in today's video a little known secret that the top affiliate marketers are using to crush it right now in the space. What's going on, guys? I'm Josh Smith, aka the Dadtreprenewer, and I am here to help you all learn how to make some money on the side, on the internet, with affiliate marketing, online business strategy, all that good stuff. Here to help. So let's get straight into today's video. And what's going to happen is there's a trend right now in the affiliate marketing space, and you may hear the term affiliate stacking, congruent offers, things like that, right? And it seems like this new way of doing affiliate marketing. But in reality, all this is a new way, a new term of teaching people and showing people traditional affiliate marketing style of business, right? Because when you're doing affiliate marketing, you're building or you're promoting, somebody else's products or service in exchange for a commission. And when we are doing this, the people who separate themselves from the pack are collecting email addresses, right? Now, what are we doing with those emails? Yeah, we're sending autoresponder sequences. We got all that set up. We're following up with people on autopilot, right? But if you're doing this right, you're leading with value first. You're constantly teaching people. You've built a following. You've built people who are consuming your emails, right? So what do you do when somebody gets all the way through your email sequence and now they're just sitting on your broadcast list? Well, I'm going to break it down and I'm going to show you. And what a lot of people call this is affiliate stacking. And I'm going to use this small little breakdown of the funnel to show you guys. This is one of my basic bridge funnels that's been responsible for the majority of my business and lots of other marketers out there, right? So what we have is we have traffic sources, right? We're driving traffic to an opt-in page. This is where we collect an email. Then they go to a bridge page. This is where we bridge the gap to what they're going from what they've seen to what they're going to see on the sales page, right? This is the company's sales page that we partnered with. And obviously if somebody buys, you get a commission. So we already know we're following up with people in email because 99 out of 100 people who make it here probably won't buy, right? So we get to follow up with them down here. Okay, but this is the forgotten thing that people, at least right now, especially with what I'm seeing on TikTok and Instagram Reels and all the short form video, people are preaching opportunity, 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 and they're forgetting to build value and to build a real following by offering that following value in content that actually teaches them. So they're having a lot of success. They're making commissions, but what's happening is they're not utilizing this giant email list of contacts that they're building, right? So in affiliate marketing, one of the main things that we can do, and one of the beauties of building our email list is, right, okay, we've got the sales page. This is what we call our core offer, right? You know, whether it's the 15-day challenge, the 3-day challenge, you're in the fitness space and you got $1,000 fitness course that you get a 70% commission on. Whatever it is, we all have our core offer, right? And as we build a following, that's what we're known for. But the beautiful thing about this is that following that's truly engaged, truly consuming what it is you have to say, you're giving them value after value after value. If you incorporate something new into your business and you start using it successfully, and then you share it with that engaged following, what's going to happen is you are going to have a list of buyers who take your recommendations, and now you can use this email list that you've built and you can send them congruent offers or affiliate stacking, whatever you want to call it. You stack offers. So they've already consumed the core offer. They've learned that. They've learned from you. They love it. And now they consume everything that you do. So now you send them an offer later on like, hey, there's this new software. It's been working great in my business. You can check it out here. Here's how you can implement it into your business. So now we're utilizing our email list to its full potential, and we are creating repeat buyers or repeat customers. Or maybe you have people who have been engaged the whole time. You've been giving them value. They've been consuming your emails, and you know what? They're not interested in the 15-day challenge right now, the 3-day challenge right now, whatever it is. But they've been following you all along. Oh, this new challenge, this new software, this person has a new launch for this amazing thing that can be added into somebody's affiliate marketing business. You share that with them. They identify with that, and now they buy. So instead of inactive people just sitting on your email list, all this method is actually utilizing your email list to its full potential. So let me show you what this looks like exactly. We'll build here. Look at this. You've got your email list, right? Boom. Okay. Maybe on day one, or not day one, you're not going to introduce somebody on day one. Let's just say this part right here that we're looking at. Yes, it's the autoresponder for that, but don't worry about this top part right now. Just take your email list, right? They've already all seen whatever your core offer is over here. They've either bought or they haven't, right? Now, what we can do with this email list for months on end, because if you're doing this right, you're collecting emails, right? And that is your asset. That is something you own for life. You can market to this list over and over again. You can teach them. You can add value. Now, a new piece of software comes along. You absolutely love this new piece of software. You've incorporated into your business. You've got tons of results. Now, you're driving your email list to a brand new offer. Whoa, what am I doing here? Let's get out of this. I want to a brand new offer. Let's get the text tool. Come on. There we go. Let's label this. But here's the key. Okay, anyway, I don't know what's going on. As you can see, I'm dripping in sweat. I was on the way back from a workout, and I just wanted to share this. It was in my head, on my mind. I wanted to share it with you guys. And this is nothing new, right? Like, if you're learning affiliate marketing, you should be learning this from the beginning. But the reason why I'm sharing it, and the reason why you're seeing so many creators out there talking about this now and having success with it, again, is because it's kind of gotten forgotten along the way. Because especially, with all the people having success on TikTok, we're all promoting one or two things. Everybody knows what that offer is now, right? And so people are getting known for that. And it's all opportunity, opportunity, opportunity. Challenge this, challenge this, challenge this, right? And people are getting known for that instead of actually building a following and building value the right way. So now you get somebody into a challenge or into a core offer, but also you introduce them stuff on the back end, right? Keep this all the same and then introduce things to them again on the back end. And now you're, again, driving multiple sales. You're increasing the revenue in your affiliate marketing business, right? By still doing the work one time, you got these people in the door one time by a piece of content, most likely that you created over here. They signed up, right? And you can market, excuse me, you can market to them for life. So understand this. You're gonna see a lot of this because the people who are having success right now, the gurus, the teachers, whatever you want to call them, the really successful affiliate marketers, we are all doing this, and it's driving extra revenue in our business every week. It's not all just challenge, challenge, challenge. We're giving value over here, right? We're teaching people things. That way we're building an actual following. We're building a personal brand for ourselves, because that is something that is so lost right now in the industry, is people are just forgetting how to build a personal brand and build a true following and community of people who are engaged. And guys, this is even more powerful, right? Because what affiliate marketing is to a lot of people, it's a stepping stone to learn all of this stuff, to learn some basic marketing concepts, make a lot of money along the way, and then use that money to fund the business that they actually want to build, right? So now you become a course creator or a high ticket coach or consulting or a mastermind person, whatever it is, you come up with your own product or service to offer down here. And now you can market it to an engaged follower who's consuming, who knows, likes, and trusts you and wants to learn from you already. The issue with affiliate marketing right now is there's too many people forgetting about the personal brand of leading with value. And they're just all sales page, sales page, sales page, challenge this, challenge this, challenge this. And so then when they go off to do something like this down the road, people are like, well, that's just the challenge guy. All he does is promote a challenge. Why do I want to learn this from him, right? So understand this. Yes, this is a secret, a little known secret that all the gurus, all the experts are doing right now. But again, it's a core principle, a core concept that has been around for a long, long time, but people have just started to get away from it. And now things come in waves, guys. This is how the world works. This is how any business industry works, right? We're constantly evolving with technology, but things come in waves, concepts. They just go around in a circle, and people find new creative ways to teach things that, guess what? They worked 20 years ago. People forgot about them for a decade or two. Now they're back, right? This is a concept that has been around since the beginning of affiliate marketing. So don't get lost in all this stuff. Understand that this is how affiliate marketers that are doing things the right way, leading with value, building their personal brand, right? This is how we are taking advantage of what's going on right now and setting ourselves apart from all of the other people out there that just look like clones of themselves. So understand, when you're getting into affiliate marketing, yes, you can do it strictly to promote other people's products or services, so you don't have to deal with any of the overhead, any of that. We know all the benefits, right? But understand, if you're doing it right and you want to experience the long-term success, the sustainable success that you really need, you need to be building a personal brand, collecting emails, and giving people tons of email in or value in that email, not just from the autoresponder sequences, but for months and years on end down the road. Give them valuable content so that when you move forward with a new offer, or you have your own products to sell, or you want to do affiliate stacking and new software comes around, you can market to them and people already know, like, and trust you, and they'll be willing to take your advice and follow through with the promotion, and you'll increase your revenue that way. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. If you found value from this video, you know what to do. Just hit that bell notification, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to drop your comments down below. If you have any questions on this, I'll add clarity, whatever it is. And we'll go ahead and we'll catch you guys on the next video. I appreciate y'all. I'm out of here.